Analytical constants like acid values, saponification value, ester values, iodine value, acyl values, and Richard Meisel values, which is also known as RM value. Analytical constants. Acid value synonyms are utilization number and acid value. Definition of acid values: it is defined as the number of milligram of potassium hydroxide required to completely neutralize free fatty acid present in 1 gram fat or oil. In this process, free fatty acid which is present in given sample of fat or oil react with the titrant. Titrant in this reaction is potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. So free fatty acid which is present in sample of fat or oil react with sodium hydroxide to form a salt. Acid value is a measure of the free fatty acid or FFA present in the fat or oil. Normally, refined oil should be free from any free fatty acid. Oils on decomposition due to chemical or bacterial contaminations yields free fatty acid. Principle: the acid value is determined by directly titrating the oil or fat in an alcoholic medium against standard potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide solution. First of all, dissolve about 10 gram of sample in 50 ml of mixtures of equal volume of ethanol, 95% ethanol and ether, and then add previously neutralized phenolphthalein solution. Then titrate it against zero point 0.1 molar potassium hydroxide until the solution turns pink. Formula for acid value is 5.61 N upon W, where N is burette reading and W is sample weight. The acid value is a measure of amount of free fatty acid which have been liberated by hydrolysis from the glyceride due to the action of moisture, temperature, and or lipolytic enzyme lipase. Therefore, oils which increased acid numbers are unsafe for human consumptions. Saponification numbers synonym saponification value. It is the number of milligrams of potassium hydroxide required to saponify 1 gram of a fat or oil sample. Saponification number is a measure of the average molecular weight of the free fatty acid present. Molecular weight of the fat is milligram potassium hydroxide divided by saponification numbers of fat. For example, higher the saponification number, lower its molecular weight. Principle: saponification is the process by which the fatty acids in the triglycerides or fat are hydrolyzed by an alkali to give glycerol and potassium hydroxide, salt of the fatty acid. A known quantity of fat or oil is refluxed with an excess amount of alcoholic potassium hydroxide. After saponification, the remaining potassium hydroxide is estimated by titrating it against a standard acid. The value obtained is used for the determination of saponification numbers of fat or oil. Sample is titrated with zero point 0.5 molar HCl hydrochloric acid and takes the reading. This reading is back reading in mLs, and then perform a blank titration in which given sample will not be taken, and then calculate the saponification values by the formula. Formula for calculating saponification values: 28.05 bracket B minus A bracket close upon W, where B is blank titration readings and A is back readings and W is weight of sample in grams. Significant saponification value also indicate the length of carbon chain of the acid present in that particular oil or fat. Higher the saponification value, greater is the percentage of the short chain acid present in the glyceride of the oil or fat. The magnitude of saponification values gives an idea about the average molecular weight of the fat or oil. Higher the molecular weight of the fat, the smaller is its saponification value. Iodine number or iodine values: it is the number of grams of iodine that would add to carbon double bond carbon present in 100 gram of the fat or oil sample. Principle: the oil or fat samples in W grams taken in carbon tetrachloride is treated with a non-excess of iodine monochloride solution glacial acetic acid. This is known as with solution. The excess of iodine monochloride is treated with potassium iodide, and the liberated iodine estimated by titration with zero point 0.1 molar sodium thiosulfate solution using a star solution as an indicator, and takes a back reading. Then perform a blank titration. Then calculate the iodine values by the formula 1.269 bracket B minus A bracket close upon W, where B is blank titration readings and A is back readings, and W is weight of sample in grams. Significance: the iodine value is a measurement of amount of unsaturation or number of double bond present in fat sample. Greater number of double bonded carbon, high is the iodine value, more is the unsaturation in lipids. Unsaturated lipids are more susceptible to rancidity. Ester number or ester values: it is the number of milligram potassium hydroxide required to saponify the ester present in 1 gram of substance. Formula for calculating ester value: saponification value minus acid value. In this reaction, glyceride react with aqueous sodium hydroxide and it get dissociated to form glycerol and soap. 3 molecules of soap. Method: first of all, weigh accurately about 2 gram of the sample and place it in a container. Then add 25 ml of 0.5 molar ethanolic potassium hydroxide and boiled under reflux condenser on a water bath for 1 hour. Then add 20 ml of water and titrate the excess of alkali with 0.5 molar hydrochloric acid using a 0.2 ml of phenolphthalein indicator. Repeat the operation without sample and takes the blank readings. The difference between the titration represents the alkali required to saponify the esters. Then calculate the ester value by the formula saponification value minus acid values. The ester value shows the amount alkali consumed in the saponification of the esters and is possible identify and differentiate the fat with this values. Richard-Meisel number or Richard-Meisel values. It is defined as the ml of zero point 0.1 normal potassium hydroxide required to completely neutralize a soluble volatile fatty acid distilled from 5 gram fat. RM number is useful in testing the purity of butter since it contains a good concentration of volatile fatty acid like butyric acid, caproic acid and caprylic acid. Butter has a RM number in the range 25 to 30 while it is less than 1 for most other edible oils. Thus any adulteration of butter can be easily tested by the sensitive RM numbers. Principle: fat is saponified using glycerol alkali solutions and acidified by sulfuric acid to liberate free fatty acid. The liberated free fatty acid are steam distilled and the steam volatile fatty acid are collected as a condensate. The cool condensate of the volatile fatty acid is filtered for separation of water soluble and water insoluble fatty acids. The water soluble fatty acid is titrated with alkali to give RM values. Water insoluble fatty acid is titrated to give the Polinsky values. Significance: it is a measure of water soluble steam volatile fatty acid, chiefly butyric acid and caproic acid present in oil or fat. No other fat contains butyric acid glyceride and therefore the Richard-Meisel value of the butter fat is higher than that for any other fat. These determinations have been used principally for analysis of butters. Acetyl number, it is also known as acetyl value. It is the number of milligram potassium hydroxide required to acetic acid liberated by the hydrolysis of 1 gram of acetylated substance. Method: boil the 10 gram of sample with 20 ml of acetic anhydride for 2 hours. Then add 600 ml water and boil for 30 minutes. Then separate and wash the acetylated product. Determine the saponification value of acetylated substance and takes the reading and then take the reading in mLs and then determines the saponification value of the substance and again takes the reading in ml. Then calculate the acetyl value by formula 1335 bracket B minus A bracket close upon 1335 minus A, where N is saponification value of the substance and B is saponification value of the acetylated substance. Significance: it is the measure of hydroxy acid in lipid. Increased number of acetyl values indicate more amount of free fatty acid.